Hazard State Senator Brandon Smith says he was not drinking the night he was arrested in Frankfort. Smith came to our studios today to respond to heavy criticism he's received for citing a more than 100-year-old Kentucky law as a reason his case should be dismissed. Smith says he wants everyone to know that he does not believe that he is above the law.
I do not think somebody should be able to use this to protect guilty people.
Senator Brandon Smith is referring to a section of the state constitution which bans lawmakers from being arrested except for certain offenses while the legislature is in session. Thursday in court, Smith's attorney cited the 1891 rule as a reason the case should be dismissed.
We felt like that there were circumstances in this particular case that just didn't pass the smell test, and my attorney wanted to have them take a look at that. And so that's the judge's prerogative to make sure that everything's on the square, that they can go through it and make sure that this wasn't some sort of, somebody was targeting us or they had some sort of an agenda.
Smith was charged with DUI on the first day of the 2015 legislative session. A citation says Smith had a .088% blood alcohol level in a portable breath test. Smith would not discuss specifics of the case, but he denies drinking that night and says the truth will eventually come out.
I'm sorry that we weren't able to talk earlier. I mean, I felt like I should be able to talk about this as soon as it happened. And you get a lot of legal advice and you bring people in. I've never been in jail before in my lifetime. I've never been arrested. I was telling you all about my driving record. In 40 years, I've had 4 tickets.
Smith says he's received threats and the ordeal has been embarrassing, scary, and tough on his family.
If there's any silver lining to what I'm having to go through now and my family, is that it has opened my eyes to a lot of stuff that goes on in the system that I probably wouldn't have believed before.
Smith says he will plead not guilty if the case is not thrown out. Smith represents the 30th District, which includes several counties in eastern Kentucky. You can see my entire interview with Senator Smith on our website, WYMT.com.